walks through the world with a smile on her face. No one would guess she feels out of place. Her laughter's a mask, jokes a disguise, hiding the truth behind weary eyes. Yeah. She's the friend who's always there for the call, the one who lifts others when they start to fall. But in the silence, when no one's around, her tears fall quietly, making no sound. Yeah. She's the girl who hides her pain, dancing in the fire, standing in the rain. Her heart is heavy, but she won't complain. She's the girl who hides her pain. Her walls are so high, no one can see the battle she fights, the scars that won't leave. She gives all her love, but keeps none for herself. Her dreams collecting dust on a forgotten shelf. She writes her heart in a journal unseen, a story of longing, of what might have been. But she tears out the pages before they can show, afraid of the vulnerability she doesn't let grow. She's the girl who hides her pain, dancing in the fire, standing in the rain. Her heart is heavy, but she won't complain. She's the girl who hides her pain. Late at night, when the world is asleep, she lets the emotions begin to seep. The cracks in her armor start to appear, and she whispers her fears to the night sincere. Why can't they see the way I bear? Why do I feel like I'm gasping for air? I wanna be strong, but I'm breaking inside. How long can I keep up this fight and this pride? She's the girl who hides her pain, but now she's tired of playing this game. Her tears fall freely like a cleansing rain. She's the girl who won't hide her pain. She learns to embrace the cracks in her soul, a mosaic of beauty making her whole. The weight she carried begins to lift, her voice becomes her greatest gift. She shares her story, her struggles and fears, turning her heartache into strength through the years. Now she stands tall, no longer afraid. The girl who hid her pain has found her way. She was the girl who hid her pain, but now she dances freely in the rain. Her heart is strong, her scars are made, but that proves she rose above the pain. She's no longer hiding, no longer alone. Her voice is a melody all her own. The girl who hid her pain is now unchained, a beacon of hope through the love she's gained. She's no longer hiding, no longer alone.